Robyn Wehrly. I teach special education here at Octavia E. Butler Magnet. This is my 5th year at Octavia E. Butler, but I've been teaching for 21 years. Everything in life is easier if you're literate, if you learn how to make decisions and evaluate your options, and just everything in the world is easier to navigate when you have an education. And I really wanted to be part of making that happen for my kids.
So as her supervisor and administrator, she is an amazing thought partner because it's not about herself. It's about what's good for her students and what's good for all OEB students.
She spends so much time and energy putting together extremely detailed, creative, and authentic learning experiences.
Miss Wehrly makes learning fun because she always put different things in different projects, and she always make it sound fun.
My favorite thing is probably when she helps us, because she'll help us if something's too hard.
She makes everything fun, and she's always there for you whenever you need help.
She is so much for her students and all the students here.
When I got to Miss Wehrly, she was super nice. Her classroom was really clean and stuff, and she's a really nice teacher, and she respects her students a lot.
My favorite thing about Miss Wehrly is that she teaches respect.
She is an extremely thoughtful educator and so prepared in so many areas of expertise.
I'm a planner, but also because I'm a teacher, I have to be able to throw out the plan and work in the moment. So learning how to do that has helped me a lot, to think on my feet. And, every day is different, but every day we get something accomplished.
She has her students' best interests always at heart.
So I think empathy is an important part of education because, first of all, that just makes a good citizen in the world. But also, especially because my kids are special education and they know that the classroom's a safe place for them to learn, and that they can make mistakes and it's going to be okay, is really, really important.
I particularly get to meet almost every single one of the parents in Miss Wehrly's class. It's rare for a teacher to have almost 100% of her parents be her fans, and that's really what it feels like.
OEB went through an election process to select our candidate, and after 2 rounds, it was very clear that Mrs. Wehrly was our nominee.
I was really humbled when I found out I was going to receive this award. The biggest reason because my colleagues are the ones who nominated me. It was like validation. That they recognized how hard I worked, and also that they wanted me to represent the rest of them. So I'm really excited and humbled, but also just really proud that I'm representing Octavia E. Butler.
Having Miss Wehrly as Teacher of the Year, I think it's a long time coming. One of the first ones to come here on campus every day, and being one of the last ones to leave.
Our night custodians are always saying, she should be Teacher of the Year. They know, because they know that she's here in the parking lot all the time. I mean, it is definitely something that everybody understands about her, and people just want to hang out with her too, because she's super fun.
Mrs. Wehrly, despite being an avid Boston Celtics fan, is an extremely dedicated educator. She represents the best of who we are here at OEB. She is a staunch advocate for her students in every conversation, and one of the most well-meaning, kind people that I know.
She is my heart and a great friend. Wehrly, it is indeed a pleasure working with you every day. I love you, girl, and I'm so happy that you are finally getting recognized.
Robyn, congratulations. It has been such an honor to serve and work with you and see people like you that truly embody who we want teaching our children today and tomorrow.
Wehrly, I have been wanting this for you for years, and I'm so glad that everyone else agrees with me, because you are amazing and you inspire your students and you inspire all of us every single day.
Congratulations, Miss Wehrly. You are our favorite teacher.
Congratulations, Robyn.
Congratulations, Miss Wehrly. You deserve it.
Congratulations, Miss Wehrly. You've had a big impact on me.